In today's video, I'll show you how to hide all Facebook posts at once. Here's how you can do it. Open Facebook, click on the menu icon, access settings, find Activate Log, scroll down to find Activate Log and click on it. Select your Facebook activity, click on Posts. Open your posts, photo and videos. Click on All, tap on the three dots and select Change Audience. Click on Change Audience again and select Only Me. Click on Change. Hide other people's posts. Click on See More, then Other people's posts to your feed. Manually hide this post one by one by clicking on the three dots and select Hide from Profile. Hide tagged posts. Scroll down to find activity you're tagged in, then click on Post and Comments you're tagged in. Select All and click on Remove Tags to hide this post at once. Alternatively, hide tagged posts individually by clicking on the three dots and selecting Hide from Profile. Hide Profile and Cover Photos. Open your Profile section and select the photo you want to hide. Click on the three dots and select Hide from Profile. Confirm the action. That's it. Your Facebook post will now be hidden. Thanks for watching.